Okay, ready to try this again?
Mm-hmm.
Attempt number 3. Okay, ready? Oh, wait, where am I going to point it? Move over a little bit, honey. Come this way. Come this way. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, there's the tooth and the string and the gun. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. Is it stuck? Is it stuck? It's stuck. Okay, wait. You ready? What happened? The dart fell off and the tooth is still sitting there. Let's see. Open your mouth. Ah. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to just yank it?
No!
Come on, let me just yank it. Move your hands. Move your hands. Let's just get it out, Age.
No, Mom.
Wait, should we attach it to the door? You want to try the door?
No.
Come on, let's try it. Go, we got to get this thing out. Are you ready? Move your hands. Move your hands. Hurry up.
Are you going to yank it?
No, move your hands.
Yeah, you.
Move your hands.
Really?
Move your hands. Move your hand. Hurry up, please. Come on. Move your hands. I'm not going to yank it. Move your hands.
There you are.
Move your hands. Move your hands. I'm not going to yank it. I'm not going to yank it. See, I'm not going to yank it.
I'm not going to yank it.
No, I didn't say stay, I'm not going to yank it. I said see, I'm not going to yank it. Does it feel like it's still really tight in there? Or not really?
Not really.
So we should pull it out.
How?
Move your hand.
Not yanking it.
Move your hand. Move your hand. Do you trust me?
No.
You don't You don't trust me? Why not?
Because.
Because what? Move your hand.
Because Whisper is going to age.
Look what I
Blood?
Let me see. Yeah, a little bit. Good job. Who's coming tonight?
Tooth Fairy.
And who's the Tooth Fairy?
Your boyfriend.
Who's my boyfriend?
John Michaels.
Who? No, who's my boyfriend?
But then go wash my mouth.
Who's my boyfriend?
The Rock.
Good job, Matt.